Hi everyone. This is the first lesson in speaking Malagasy. Today we're going to learn about greetings. So to say hello, you say Salama or Manahoana, and you'll hear that sort of sing-songy sound when you speak Malagasy. So Malagasy. Salama, Manahoana. If you see more than one person, you say nareo. Or you can just say Salama, and then everyone will reply the same. And then in Malagasy, you'll say hello, then you say how are you? As we know, we do also in English, I suppose. So if you want to ask how are you, you say Fahasalamana. Fahasalamana, how is your health, basically. Fahasalamana. And the answer will be Salama, tsara, Salama, tsara. Salama is I'm well. Tsara is good or very well, so I'm very well. Salama, tsara. Misaotra. Misaotra is thank you. Salama, tsara, misaotra. You can say Salama, tsara, misaotra. Salama, tsara, misaotra. Salama, tsara, misaotra. Or if you are kind of not so good, not so bad, you say ihany. And you can use ihany for a lot of things. If someone says, how's the food? And you're kind of, then you can say ihany. But you might not want to say that. If you're a guest in someone's house, you'll always say, tsara, tsara. Yeah. So if someone says, Fahasalamana, if someone asks you Fahasalamana, then you'll say, tsara, if you're well. Tsara, you are you're doing really, really well. Ihany, if you are not, ambivalent about it. And you can say, if you're not feeling well, tsde salam. But not many people say that because the conversation normally will get to other things anyway, and you'll be saying whether you are well. So the standard response really is Salama, tsara, or ihany. And then they will ask you, what's news? So they will say, Inona, vaovao. And most people, because it's just a general greeting, will say, misy, misy. Well, nothing really. Misy. Or you can say, misy, nothing new. Which is kind of not true, because then you will talk later and then you say all these things. But yeah, as a standard greeting, as you are walking past and someone is doing these greetings to you, just kind of give the standard reply. Inona, vaovao, what's news? Misy, aminareo. Misy, aminareo. I have no news. The news are with you. What's news with you? So, to recap, you see someone, you say Manahoana or Salama or nareo. If there are many people, or Salama, that still works. And you want to ask about how are you? Fahasalamana. And the answer, I am well. Tsara, all good, thank you. Tsara, ihany. Kind of not good, not bad. Ihany. Then you ask about the news. Inona, vaovao. What's news? Misy, aminareo. I don't have any news. The news is with you. Misy, aminareo. And then when you say goodbye, Veloma. Veloma literally means may you remain alive. Like wishing you to still be alive, right? Stay well, stay alive. Veloma. Or Mandra-pihaona. Mandra-pihaona, till we see each other again. Veloma or Mandra-pihaona. Those are the standard that you use. Veloma, Mandra-pihaona. And then when you say good night to someone, you say Tafandria, Tafandria, or Soava, Tafandria, 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 the whole. If you're saying it to everybody, Tafandria, the whole. Or Soava, Soava, Tafandria really means may you, when you lie down, may that lying down, that action of lying down to sleep, may you find comfort in that. May you be comfortable when you lie down. And same with Soava, may it be a good one, basically, good lying down, good sleep. And I don't know where to put this, but people, what do you do when you sneeze? So I'm putting it in these greetings. It's an interaction also with people. When someone sneezes, you just say Vel. All right. So I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next lesson. Bye.